Welcome all of you to my new video. Theia, the planet. Theia was a Mars-sized planet, or protoplanet that collided with Earth. Around 4.5 billion years ago, early in our solar system's formation. This catastrophic impact is thought to have had two major outcomes. Formation of the Moon. The impact between Theia and Earth was so intense that it caused debris to be ejected into space. Over time, this debris coalesced due to gravitational forces and eventually formed the Moon. This theory helps explain why Earth's mantle and the Moon's surface have similar chemical compositions. Earth's tilting conditions for life. The impact likely altered Earth's rotation and axial tilt, leading to the seasonal cycles we experience. This tilt may have created conditions that were more favorable for the evolution of complex life. On Earth by producing varied climates and stabilizing our planet's orbit. Theia itself did not survive the collision, but remnants of it might still exist within Earth and the Moon. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates and new videos.